Best places to visit in Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital of Japan, located in Asia. It seems to be not only a hot tourist destination, but also a good place to live. There are several important reasons to visit Tokyo. Tokyo is a metropolis with over 200,000 restaurants. You don't have to worry about the quality of food in Tokyo. All restaurants offer delicious and high-quality food to their visitors. You can also find great options in cooking. In other words, food in Tokyo is not as problematic as in other countries. All food items are available at very competitive prices. If you want to shop for designer suits at affordable prices, Tokyo is a good choice. You can find a huge variety of costumes here. Explore the various shops to get the costume of your dreams. If you don't want to go out, you can also shop online. You can get the product you want with one click. Tokyo costumes are not only known in Japan. They are appreciated all over the world. Tokyo is a romantic place to enjoy a vacation with your lover. Japanese culture is also very famous all over the world. In Japan, many cultures follow. Here are some of the best places to visit in Tokyo. Harajuku is a colorful tourist attraction in Tokyo. It is known worldwide for its unique and historical culture. People like to wear different clothes depending on the culture. They also prefer other languages. All of this makes Harajuku a unique experience for every visitor. The next beautiful tourist attraction is Omotesando Street. This place has many similarities to Harajuku. This place is a chain of trendy shops, restaurants and cafes. In the evening, it looks more attractive and romantic. Omotesando Hill is a trendy shopping mall in Tokyo. This mall was established just 4 years ago. Now this shopping mall has become a desirable choice for tourists. Omotesando also has 2 unique shops, Kiddy and Oriental Bazaar. Here you can find many accessories at affordable prices. Most tourists are not familiar with these tourist attractions. The third interesting thing about Tokyo is its nightlife. You can enjoy the amazing nightlife in Tokyo. The city is busy for 20 hours. The last thing that stands out in Tokyo is the culture. This is a place where you can enjoy the history and culture of the city. Tokyo has several vibrant venues that represent the city's true culture. The best time to visit Tokyo is between September and February. During these 6 months the weather is very pleasant.